CANopen Logxaminer is a PC software running on Windows. No CAN interface is required. It is used for analysis of log files for CANopen and CANopenFD networks and can handle a wide range of log file formats. It can also handle very large log files. In this tech brief video, I will go over the statistics feature of the software. In this video, I will look at the statistics functionality of CANopen Logxaminer and show how it can evaluate the performance of a network and individual nodes. The first step is to import a log file from a CANopen network. When analysis is performed, the statistics generated are compared with user-defined limits. These limits can create warnings and errors. To view the limits, go to the Project Settings window and click on the Monitoring Values tab. All projects initially use the default values which are displayed in the window. However, we can override these with custom values. Click on the Use Custom Values checkbox. For the node message rate, enter a warning value of 90 and an error value of 95. For the heartbeat range, enter a warning of 100 and an error of 200. For the heartbeat minimum, enter a warning of 950 and an error of 900. For the heartbeat maximum, enter a warning of 1050 and an error of 1100. For SD responses, enter a warning of 100 and an error of 150. Click on OK. Now we are ready to perform the analysis by clicking on the Analyze button. For the entire network, we can see that the maximum message rate is highlighted in green. This means that it was less than a specified warning value. The warning value is shown in parentheses, and in this case is 700. Switching to the statistics for node 1, we can see that the maximum message rate is highlighted in yellow, which means that it is more than the warning value but less than the error value. In this case, node 1 transmitted up to 91 messages per second, and the warning value was set to 90. Scrolling down, we can see that the SDO maximum response time is in green, so it met the requirements. Likewise for the heartbeat times. The heartbeat performance is a good indicator of the performance of the network, as heartbeat messages have one of the lowest priorities on the network. A high bus load will cause transmission of heartbeat messages to be delayed, resulting in a wide range of performance shown in the analysis. Looking at the graph on the right, we can see that from the shortest heartbeat period to the longest was only 4 milliseconds. So the bus load did not have any sustained high periods that affected performance. There are many pieces of information gathered by CANopen Logxaminer, and not all of them have performance limits. Switching back to the global data, we can look at a pie chart of the types of messages on the network. In this example, we can see that the bulk of the messages were SDO requests and TPDOs. The numbers in parentheses are the total numbers of messages of that type seen. The pie chart is helpful in understanding what CANopen protocol is causing the bulk of the network traffic. This can help with node and network resource optimization. The node message rate chart shows one bar for each node found on the network. This helps to identify nodes that may be monopolizing the network at the expense of other nodes. In this case, node 1 transmitted around 90 messages per second and node 2 transmitted around 65 messages per second. So we can see that node 1 used more of the network bandwidth than node 2. I hope that this video has given a good overview of the types of information that can be extracted from log files and how checking against limits can be automated.